This video is best viewed in full screen mode, and on YouTube that's this icon right here. And if you have a high bandwidth connection, it's best viewed in HD, which can be selected by clicking on this icon here and selecting 720p. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you've clicked on this link right here and you're looking at this very scary dialog box and want to know what it's all about. The judgment management system is set up for multiple users to be able to get into the database at the same time. However, it's important that certain things happen in the right way when there are multiple users in the database. For example, you can't have two people editing the same list at the same time. And the way what the program does is it creates a small file that it writes to the hard drive that the other users in the system, their programs can read that file, and they can tell if someone else has a lock on the database, if someone else is editing a record, if someone else is just generally logged in. Now, it is possible that if someone is running the program and the PC loses power and the program is not shut down cleanly, or for whatever other reason that the program does not shut down cleanly, then those small files that are normally erased can be out there, and so the system thinks that someone is logged into the database that isn't, or someone that is editing a record that actually isn't. Now, your first and best thing to do is, chances are you've got some other message before you've got to the point about clearing locks that says that for example, in this case, the program is exclusively locked by this user on this PC, or it may say that a file is being edited by this user at this PC. If that's an error, then what you want to do is you want to have that person open up the judgment management system and then close the judgment management system. And that'll clear up all of the locks that that user has on the database and get everything squared away. But anyhow, in the event you get to this situation and you decide that you're going to go ahead and do this, when you click on that button, it's going to remove all the locks on the database. So it's going to remove all information about users that are logged in, any users that are editing lists. It's going to remove their locks. So this is really something that you don't want to do unless you absolutely have no other choice. And if you are going to do this, you really want to have everybody else who's in the judgment management system go ahead and exit the program before you do this. But anyhow, if you click that button there, it'll remove all the locks and it'll solve any problem that's has arisen from someone, program not exiting cleanly and having those files hanging out there. But again, I can't emphasize enough, you don't want to do this unless you absolutely have to. So hopefully I've scared you enough to you'll try to find another solution, and I can have everybody open and close the judgment management system, which will clear things up cleanly versus just using this very blunt approach.